Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and let me tell you about the awesome color combo we have ready for today's video. So we've got the S4 here, and we're going to start with Shadow Gray. Shadow Gray is a Performance Series color. It is a deep, dark gray with no metallic in it at all. That'll give us a smooth, rich color to start with as our base. And on top of that, I want to put the Komodo ColorFlip Pearl. Now, you've seen Komodo before on some of the coolest projects we've done, like we've done it on our famous Iron Man color combo over red. We've done it over blue. It has a very unique feature where it creates a gold shimmer and a gold shift, but allows the base color to come through big time and still play a role. So I'm thinking a deep dark gray with Komodo on top is going to look awesome. Let's jump right in. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are done with today's project. Now, we do a lot of different cars on this channel, lots of different color combos, and if you've been watching for a long time, I'm happy to say most of them come out awesome. I don't like this one. May not be the best thing to say. I want to be honest with you guys. I thought it was going to come out awesome. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to try to pretend that we did something terrific if I don't think it's terrific. I don't like the way it looks. I don't know if we use too much pearl. I don't know if we used the wrong pearl. Maybe a gold interference at a really low load would have given me what I was envisioning, which was a deep, rich gray with this gold flipping shimmer on it. But the Komodo didn't do that at all. Now, in some angles, it looks pretty cool. It's like kind of like a mid-tone gray with a gold shift on top. And in other angles, it looks awful. It just looks soft and pastel and not awesome. So don't do this color combo. I don't know. At the end of this, we're going to see it, and I want you to comment below and let me know what you think. If you like it, that's awesome. If you don't like it, don't be afraid to tell me, because we're not always going to do awesome stuff. Now, if you want to dip your car, we have a ton of colors to choose from, and they're all better than this one. Click up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. Either way, we're going to show you when we do great. We're going to show you when we fail. I just appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. we have ready for today's video. So we're starting with Shadow Gray as our base on the S4. Shadow Gray is a Performance Series color. It's a rich, dark,